is taking U-turn, it will go down at least for 1 minute. Okay, there is a chance to go down from this level, not go up, because we are seeing buyers are becoming weak step by step. Okay, let's wait. I'm sure the next candle will go down from this level. Yes, very strong candle, not weak candle. Oh, very strong candle. Okay, it means there are very strong sellers. Okay, you can see very strong sellers is here. Okay, what will be the next candle? Okay, we can find one more candle and we can stop this session.
I'll have to leave, so I'll just predict and go.
Okay.
I feel it is going to be the green candle because as we were predicting that the market will go up. So this is the level. This is the level. So it looks like it will bounce from here.
Okay.
But there is a gap. So possibilities are there could be a small red candle, like a spinning top or something, and then go up. So
Yeah.
So I'll go with a small red spin.
Small red. Okay. Okay, I already told you this type of strong candle will reverse the market, right? Then how can I say the next candle will be a red one?
Because of this level, if you see this level is, the market is.
Because of this level, right?
Sorry?
Which one are you?
I'm
Okay,
trying
because
to.
of this level. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm not able to see the level properly.
Okay,
Yeah, I think,
there is a chance to form a spinning top, red spinning top, right?
yeah, but if this is the level, then this should go up.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go for a green candle. It'll go up.
Green one.
Yeah.
How can I say that green one?
This is a level.
Yes.
So there is.
This is round number 2. Okay.
This one, and even here, this one, it touches here, then it goes up.
Okay.
And this one also touches here, goes up. So looks like this one also will touch here and go up for at least a minute.
Okay. Okay. Your answer is green can, right?
Yes.
1 minute. Your answer is green one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because this is a level, right?
Yes.
But this is very strong candle.
Yeah, it's strong, but because of the level, it will go up at least for 1 minute or at least for 1 or 2 candles. It looks like it will go up because of the pattern of the market. If you see, it is consistently bouncing, and especially there is a consolidation here. So it looks like this portion can also have a consolidation here.
Yes.
Somewhere around this much.
Okay.
Half. It will not go up completely. I feel at least it will go up till the half.
Okay. Okay, Altaf.
Well, okay. So we have to see the area. The buyers react very strong on this area, and we have a round number.
Okay.
But we have a triple confirmation that the market will go down.
Okay.
Right? So I'm hoping for a little retracement, let's say the green candle. And depending on the green candle, I can predict the next one.
The next one is green candle. How can I say the next one is green candle? Because of this round number?
This number, whole number, the rejection with the red candle, the current candle, yes.
Okay. This is very small rejection, right?
Yes. It is small, but it happened on the area where seller react very strong, like here, like here, like here.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Your answer
so
is?
I think the price will retrace little up and after go more down.
Okay. Okay, next one. Henry?
Hello?
Scan. Yes?
Yeah. I think the next candle will be green candle.
How can I say the next candle will green candle? This is very strong candle, right?
Yeah, it's a very strong candle,
It's strong
but
with
very
strong
strong.
seller's pressure.
Yes, very strong seller's presence. But there is a buyer's area not too far from the place. So even if it's going to come down, it will just come down a little bit and it will go up. Yes, this is a buyer's presence here. Buyer's area here.
Here, this one.
No. Go left.
This one.
No. Yes, this one.
This
So
one.
even if it's draw it for me. Yeah, even if it goes that area, it will go back up because that is a buyer's strong area. Look at the three candles that
This one.
come from that place. Yes,
Okay.
that's buyer's area. So this candle cannot go down. At least one candle will go up.
This one, right?
And also, yes, you have it here too.
Okay.
So even if it's going to go down, it will go up at least one candle. It can go and touch this place and go up.
Okay.
Good. Yes.
Okay, very good. I have to
So it's
leave
going to be
Balaka. Okay, Balaka. Okay, bye. Green for me. Okay. Next one. Andrew, Imran.
I think next candle will be green candle.
Okay.
It's because the same reason buyers enter strongly in this area, this and this
Okay.
also, and I think next candle will be a green candle, and after that, market will come down.
After that, market will come down. How can I say the
because
next
of the
candle will
pressure,
be?
because of the sellers are still pressure from above. It has pressure from above.
You can see the strong bearish candle here. How can I say the next candle will go more up?
It's because of this reason.
This
Buyers,
level.
yeah, only because of this level.
Okay.
There is no other reason.
Okay, only because of this level.
Yeah.
Okay, very good reason. Okay, good.
Sir,
Okay, Anjit.
for me this is red candle, sir.
Okay, how can I say?
Here too many reversal candles, and this is not strong buyers area now. For me, we can observe here strong buyers, but here buyers are losing their control because of
At this point, right?
Yes.
At this point, not this point.
Yes. So from this level, there is a reversal candle, and after that, the strong bearish candle. That's why I have to place red put here.
Put after this candle.
Yeah.
Okay, Stan.
In my point of view, it will form a small red candle because the reason being this three candle is a reversal candle, and this line is a resistance line, and from the resistance line, we see that it forms a very huge candle, bearish candle, and it has a huge pressure, selling pressure from the top.
Okay, but still you are seeing some pressure from sellers, pressure from buyers in the low point at the same low number, right?
Yeah, but still then
buyers entry. Already you are seeing some buyers entry at this point.
Yes.
This low point. Then how can you say the next candle will go down?
Because
of this strong candle.
Yes.
Because of this triple confirmation, right?
Right.
This triple confirmation is for this candle, not this candle, right?
Yes, it is. But still, then I can see that this line is not a very strong level.
How can I say this is not strong level?
Because it has been broken many times.
No, it didn't broke. The market didn't broke this level.
Yeah, it was up. And again.
Okay, you can see here, it didn't break this level. It tried. At last, it broke. It again tried.
No, not a strong buyer's area.
Okay, this one, it tried here, reversed. It tried and reversed. It break this level. After break this level, it tried again, reversed. It tried again, reversed. It break this level. So again, the market is coming to this level. There is a chance to try again once at this area, right?
Yes.
So how can you say this is not strong level? So if you observe here, after this breakout, it tried and reversed, right?
Yeah.
Again, it tried reversed. After this breakout, you can see again it break this level. It tried first time, again it tried second time, again it break this level. So and again it break this level because this is a buyer zone, not seller zone, right? If this would be a seller zone, it didn't break this level, right? Here also, it didn't break this level. It would not break this level at this area and at this area. This is a buyer's level. Buyer's level means this is a buyer's level. That's why when market come to this level, buyers entered. Again, buyers entered. If you observe here, when market goes up and come to this level, no sellers are interested. Here also, no sellers are interested, right? Just wait.
But overall, it's a downtrend, so it could be a plus point.
Okay. If you observe here, there is no sellers are interested here and here. But when market come above from this level, there are some buyers interested to enter into the market, right? You can see here also, it break this level because it tried 2 times. Break this level because it tried 2 times. But at the first time it break this level, at the first time it break this level. Because this is not seller's area. This is a buyer's area, right?
Yeah.
So there is a chance to break this level. And if you observe here, you can see if you draw the line here, so there is a chance here to form the candle like this because the market is at resistance level, right? Because the market is at support level. You can see the trend line here, right? The market is moving in this trend. There is a chance to go up from this level. Got it?
Yes.
By analyzing with this trend line, there is a chance to go up. By analyzing this market, you can see buyers entered again and again. When market come to this level from above this level, from above this line, buyers are entering. Okay, but when market come to this level with below this level, with below this line, there is no sellers are interested. Okay, so you can think this is not seller's area, but this is a buyer's area. When market come above this level, for above market, the buyers are interested. For below market, there is no sellers are interested here. Got it? So this I got to go to okay, Altaf. Okay, bye. So there is a chance to go up from this level. You can see this level and this level, and you are seeing some small buyers entry. This is not small buyers entry. Some small buyers entry from this level. This is a round number. Okay, the market is moving like this. There is a chance to go up, and I already told the strong candle will reverse the market. There is a chance, not 100%. There is a chance to reverse the market. So by analyzing all these points, the level and the trend and the trend line and the point and the rejection and round number. So by analyzing all these points, there is a chance to go up from this level. Okay, so market will go like this, it will go up like this. Okay, I think it will go more up from this level. Okay, because of this trend, at least it will reverse again from this level, or it will reverse as a double top. There is a chance to reverse as a double top. Okay, let's see the candle. Okay, this is a green candle. Yes. Okay, you can see here. I will draw one thing here. So you can see the market reversed from the same level, right? From the same buyer's entry point. Okay. Okay, from same buyer's entry point, it reversed. Okay, because this candle is on the EMA line. This is also a reason. This is also a reason. Yeah, this is also a reason. Okay, this one. This is a buyer's entry point. Okay, buyers entered, break this level. Again, when market cross this level, buyers entered, break this level. Again, when market cross this level, buyers entered. Okay, so by analyzing all these things, there is a chance to go up. This is very strong candle. This is a triple confirmation. Triple confirmation is about this strong candle. For this candle only, we can use this triple confirmation. For this candle only, we can use this double confirmation. Okay, got it? Okay, let's stop now on today's session. I'm going to stop this today's session. Okay, you are thinking very good, very nice analysis from your side. You are thinking very positively with this market. This is very hard to predict because this is in ranging market. But at this area too, you predict very well because if you observe the market here, the market is reversing, and here you can see it is reversing minute by minute. We can't predict at this area. This is very hard to predict. But at this area too, you predict very well. Your prediction is very well. Okay, I'm going to stop this today's session. Okay, practice well like this. Analyze all the things, not only one things. If you analyze the market, you will get some more possibilities to place put option and call option. If you observe here, there are 3 possibilities to place put option here: the double confirmation and the seller's area, and this is downtrend, third one, and this is the level, fourth one. Okay, 4 possibilities are there. Only one possibility are there to place call option. The one is rejection from players. So it's better to place put option here with these 4 possibilities. Okay, again here also, this is a level. The market is moving like this. Okay, the market is moving like this. So there is a chance to go up, and this is a level. When you draw the trend line, okay, there is a chance to reverse from this level. This is a strong candle. Even this is a strong candle. We are seeing one rejection from buyers. Okay, there is a chance to go up. We have only one chance to go down from this level. The one is the strong candle, right? Only the one is strong candle. With this region, we can't trade here put option. Remaining all regions, just wait. No, there are more possibilities to place call option here. So if you analyze like this, you can, if you analyze like this, you will have more possibilities to place call option. Okay, go with more possibilities. If you get 3 possibilities to place put option, if you get 1 possibilities to place call option, go with lower option. Okay, trade like this. You will get some good results by analyzing all the market. First try to analyze the offline chart. Then you will get some good knowledge. Then try to predict the live market. Just wait, I will show you one thing and I will close this session. Okay, after analyzing the offline chart, you can observe the market first. Don't trade, first observe the market. What will be the next candle? First guess the next candle, then observe why it. If your answer is correct, then note that point. It will help you in the future. When your answer is not correct, then analyze. Then try to try to analyze the uh, try to understand and try to predict, try to get the answer to your last trade, for your last trade. Okay, you can see if this would be a red one, you think it will go more up. Okay, it should be a red one. You can think why it will be a uh, red candle. Then you need to analyze the reason behind the last your trade. Okay, if lost your trade here, you need to observe, you need to analyze the reasons. Then you can easily predict, then you can easily understand why the market is behaving like this. Okay, trade, don't trade, first observe the market on live chat and the previous offline chat too. Observe every candle like this, and if you get some uh, if you get some confidence on your trades, if you know you can analyze the market, then you can trade on real account. Okay, okay, I'm
very
going to
good.
stop today's session.
Thank you.
It was a
Okay,
great session.
I will support you anytime. You can ask me your questions anytime. It's not a problem. Okay, first practice well on demo account. If you have any questions, you can contact me at any time. If I have time, I will answer you.
Yes, sir, is there any session tomorrow?
I think no.
Okay, this is the last session, right?
This is last session. If you want, I will explain you personally. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. I will explain you
But
personally.
you say you are going to send us some materials.
Material.
Yes, you say you will give us some materials, whether PDF or something.
No material, bro. I don't have any materials. You can find
Okay.
Vivo Turbo PDF file. It will be good. Okay. Okay. Just wait 1 minute. I will show you something here. Okay, I will share you this PDF file. Okay, you can see the Pivo Turbo group. You can find some charts here. Okay, these charts will help you to identify the trend. So the market will move like this. If it break this level, it got support from this level and goes up. Or if this candle, this market will break the support level, it will go down and got support this level and will go down. Okay, the market will move like this. Okay, the market will move like this. You can analyze this market with trend lines. It will good. This all charts will, you can see here, they already draw. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, this one. You can see this one. Okay, just wait. Okay, you can see this one. So it goes up and got support and goes up from this level. So in this way, market will move. These charts will help you to identify the market. Here also, if you draw the trend lines like this, when market goes down, when market break this level at this point, it will got support from this level and goes down. Or when market, if market break this resistance point, it will go more up and got support from this level and will go more up from this level. And this one, there are some charts. These all charts will help you to trade in 1 minute also. You can see the examples here. You can see the examples here. You can see this one. So the market will move like this. It will also help you to trade. Okay, you can see here this one. Okay, it got support from this level and goes up like this. So this I think there are some more patterns. Just wait. Okay, you can see here this one also, head and shoulder, double top patterns. Okay, these all patterns will help you. You can see This is very good ebook. I will recommend you to read this ebook. It will help you to identify the trend and to identify the chart patterns. Okay, there are some more chart patterns here. Okay, you can see the market is moving like this. It will also help you. Okay, read this book. You will get some good knowledge about patterns. Here you can see the pattern here. Chart patterns. These all chart patterns. If you have some good knowledge on these patterns, you can also trade in the live candle. Okay, this one. These all are patterns. You can see here. The 20 EMA is nothing but support level or resistance level, SNR line. Okay, 20 EMA or 100 EMA or Fibonacci level or anything. These all are SNR level. You can draw SNR level manually without putting 20 EMA line. This PDF will give you some good knowledge. Read this book. Okay, if you have any questions, you can contact me at any time. I will support you. I will give you my support. Okay, today I'm going to stop this session. It's very late because this is the last session. That's why I explained clearly. Okay, is there any questions from your side now?
No questions for today. You explained it very well, and it was a great session. Thank you very much.
Okay, if you have any questions, you can contact me anytime. Stan?
Yeah, sure. I will. If I have doubts,
Okay, is there anyone? Is there anyone?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thanks for.
Okay, welcome. All the best. I will, if possible, I will take you once more session about money management, or I will send you personally a message with money management. Follow money management first. It will give you some good profit. No need to worry about any emotions. If you follow money management, no need to worry about emotions. Okay, emotions are very common for everyone. Don't worry about your emotions. Losses are very common. Okay, don't worry about your losses. Follow money management. It will give you some good profit. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
bye.
coach.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, coach. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.